Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a unboxing video of my new art supplies, and everything is from Meesho. And we are unboxing our first art supply. It's called a precision knife, and I wanted to buy this from a long time. Let's open this. I bought this for only just 98 rupees. The quality of this is very good. The blade is very sharp, and the best part about this is we got extra blades, that to 5 blades, and we can easily change the blades if you want. And the second product is tripod. I didn't have a tripod, so I bought one, and it's very affordable. I got it for only 164 rupees, and it also comes with a manual and a charger cable. Let's open the tripod. The quality is great. It's a 2-in-1 tripod. You can use this as a selfie sticks also. The tripod is very stable, and the mobile holder will move 90 degree, and also you can increase your height. If you want short or long, you can adjust that using this knob. And it also comes with a light. You can adjust the light setting using the button, and you can charge the light. Let's unbox our next parcel, which is a cutting mat, which is in a A4 size. You can buy this in many sizes like A3 also, and I got it for 171 rupees, and it's very good quality and very smooth. Now I'm going to cut this plastic, and it cuts smoothly. And the next parcel is air dry clay. I never used air dry clay before. I only used super clay. I bought this for 139 rupees, and it comes with 250 gram. And the next parcel is I bought some magnets. It's in the size of 12 into 3 mm, and it's very small in size, so you can use this to make fridge magnets. There are 50 number of magnets in it, and it's a great quality, and I got exactly 50. You can use this to make fridge magnets. They are very small, so it's very easy to make magnets. Next we bought these are pipe cleaners to use for decorative purpose. My Instagram was actually filled with these pipe cleaners DIYs, so I think I should try it. I got this in very beautiful colors like pink, purple, yellow, orange. You get this like 100 pieces, and I bought this for 114 rupees. We got like 10 different colors, and each color has 10 pieces in it, so total 100 pieces I received. So it's great quality, I would say. And next is this gift wrapping papers. I'm really excited to open this. I bought it for 212 rupees, and we got 5 different sheets. And look at the designs, the color and the quality is 10 on 10. The designs especially I just love with the designs.